an unboxing for you here, and I was looking for a bag that's a different style than anything that I have, but I wanted it to be functional enough to take to work, yet not too structured, kind of soft. Anyhow, I was on the Macy's website and this one popped up, and I have never had a bag by this designer before. And I noticed that they were starting to show a lot of them at Macy's, and I have never noticed them before. So this is by Donna Karan, and it's not the same as the DKNY line that she has. This is just Donna Karan New York. This is the more upscale line. The other is more entry-level, kind of younger sway bags and stuff that aren't necessarily, I don't think they're even necessarily leather, but they're at a very low price point. You see them at Ross and Marshalls and stuff. So I was like, well, is this the same thing? No, these are leather, they're beautiful, and these are the more high-end her designer line. So the name of this bag, I'm only going to try and pronounce it once, is Amagansett. It sounds like somewhere in Massachusetts or something. Amagansett soft rolled leather shoulder with sculpted magnet closure. You know how Macy's always puts on strange names on the title. And this one is in the color fawn. And I got this for $178. So let's see what it looks like. Get my scissors here. Hopefully the price tag will be in here. I think the original price on it, this was on clearance, and I think the original price on this was $350, I want to say, or $378. It was expensive. So I got it for $178, and then Rakuten also had a deal with Macy's where I got $10 cash back. So I spent essentially $168. So let's see. It says do not open with sharp scissors. I have my little safety scissors here. I'm just going to kind of open the sides. It's a huge box. Now from the dimensions on it, it looked like it was about the size of like a Speedy 30 type size. I think it was 12.5 inches across. So we will see. Here's my receipt. Didn't say anything other than what I've just told you. And let's see, are we good here for light? Ooh. See, now with Macy's, it's always scary, isn't it? When you get the big box, you think, oh my God, is it just rattling around in there with no wrapping? But it is wrapped. Oh, it's big. It's heavy. Oh, this is nice. It feels very sturdy. So here's how it comes wrapped. I'm, of course, going to take all this stuff off and show you. But here's the code for it if you need to see that. And the color again is fawn. So I will be right back after I unwrap all this stuff. Okay, so I am back. Now this is a heavy bag, but it's beautiful. Now doesn't it remind you of the Pollen, I think it's numero 9, which was 9. It really reminds me of that type of shape, but look at that beautiful sculptural buckle on the top there. And it's really, really pretty. I hope you can see this. Really pretty pebbled leather. It's got feet. And this is the branding it has on it right there. It's very, very minimalist. I love that. It's not screaming. Can you even see that? It says Donna Karan on there in gold. But that is it. And then you've got two pockets on the sides. I love how it's so squishy and soft, and we'll get into it in just a second here, and I'll give you the full measurements. I just wanted to show you, here's the tag from it. So it wasn't 3 something. It was originally, here's the original price, $298. And that is the name of the bag, Amagansett. So hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, but that is it. It is so pretty though. So let's get into it and we'll see what's inside. It even comes with a little leather piece here so you can see the color of it. So it doesn't have a crossbody or any hooks or anything. It's just this really plush strap. So that's one of the reasons I wanted it. It looked so comfy and it got really good reviews. It also came in black, I think a kind of denim blue color, and I'm not sure what else. They seem to have some that did not go on sale in different colors. So this one and I think the black and the blue were on the clearance. Oh, it looks like it also has a little writing on the buckle. It says Donna Karan, New York. Let's see if you can see that. Probably not. Right there. So how it opens is it's just like a little magnet in here. Let me see if I can. I'm going to turn up the light a little bit and see if we can get some more light on this. It's funny, I'm in front of open windows, but that's not always the best place to be. Hopefully this will put more light on it. Okay, so it's just like a beautiful sculptural buckle thing, but nothing actually buckles and you don't have to push anything. It's just a magnet. It's a really nice heavy magnet on there. So it opens up like that. And this strap is not going to get in the way because it's big enough you can move it. But, oh, what's this? Okay, I took out all the stuffing. I didn't even see that. It's got a beautiful dust bag. This really nice kind of linen twill fabric. Okay, so we can see the designer name there. This is very nice quality. It's like the inside of the old Dooney bags before they switched to red. It's like that same texture, or even the Rogues. The Rogues have this type of fabric. That is nice, and it matches the, that's a heavy duty bag. I'm not kidding you. This is kind of heavy, this fabric here. So it's lined with that same fabric inside. And then it looks like over here you've got two really nice buttery soft leather pockets, if you can see that. They're good size. And then on the other side you have a zippered, it looks like you have a card. Yeah, you have, oh how cute. You've got, I don't know if you can see it, you've got a little card holder here, leather. And then you've got just a zippered and care instructions and her little card here. This is very nice. I'm going to keep the price tag inside. That's a good size inner pocket. I like this. This is really nice. So let me get the measurements for you before I continue. And then I'm actually going to fill it up too and see how much it holds. Of course, it's going to hold a ton, I am sure. So let me go ahead and get the measurements. So the strap drop, which is important to a lot of us, is, 12 inches. That's a nice strap drop. 12 and a half. So that's very forgiving. You can wear this in winter with all your sweaters. Across the bottom, it is 12 and a half, like they said. And the height is 10 inches. And then the depth, this is a nice squishy bag. It reminds me of my Coach Shea crossbody, the pebbled leather, 6 inches in depth. So that's a wonderful size. I just love how mushy it is. Can you tell? Yeah, you can tell. Okay, so let me get my bag and we will fill her up. Okay, so this is the bag I am in now. This is my beautiful Madewell Essential Bucket Tote in the medium size with the rivets. It is so cute and slouchy. But see how, this is a pretty big bag. And this Donna Karan bag kind of dwarfs it a little bit. So it's just a different shape too. It's much more east-west than north-south. But let's go ahead and fill it with what I have in here. I'm sure it'll fit. So I'll just put them side by side. I really like how you get into it by just closing that magnet and it just folds down. It feels nice and secure, but it's so easy. I love it. Okay, so I'm really impressed. This is bad because now I want more Donna Karan bags. But so we've got the Coach Nolita barrel bag. I have removed the tag and the little cherries that came on it because it kept dropping off, that stupid little beaded ring thing. I hate that. And it dropped off on me twice in the store. So I was like, I'm just gonna take it off. But I like to carry this as my catch-all because it holds everything I need, and I can take it out and use it as a little purse. So it's perfect, good size. So I'm done here. And then I've got my little wallet, and this was from AliExpress last year. I love this. You know what it looks like. It's so cute. But it's just like a little card holder type thing. An accordion card holder. Very handy. I really like that. So that's going in. Got my glasses, and this is my case from Portland Leather that I always use in the color Havana. It's just a kind of a bronze color, metallic. Let's see. I've got my little tiny daisy wallet from Portland Leather Goods, and that's where I keep my cash. I just keep it folded up in here. It's very handy. It's a little small if you try and put in more than like 4 cards. So I prefer to use it for cash. So I'm just gonna drop that in. Got my little Royal Bagger jewelry case that I use for medicine. Works out perfect. I love it. These are so cute. I don't like to promote any TikTok-y things, but that's where I got this. They also have their own shop too, I think. And then this is their coin case, which I also love. It's so cute. It just folds open. And it's orange like the wallet I have. So it makes a cute match. I don't know if these are leather or not. They say they are, but I don't know. It seems a little iffy. And then I have some gum. And that is it. And then I usually just carry my phone, of course, and my keys. So I'll just stick my gum in one of these little pockets here. Perfect. The leather, I don't know if you guys can see it. The leather on the pockets is a buttery soft smooth leather, if you can see that. It's just smooth as can be. It's really nice. It's kind of like Coach's glove tan leather. So when all that is in there, it is not a light, it's not light, but it's not unbearably heavy. I would say it's comparable to a DKNY Florentine satchel as far as the weight. Let me see if a phone would fit in these side pockets here. This is a old iPhone 6S Plus, so it's a pretty big one. Yeah, that fits in there pretty good. It doesn't completely cover it, but it's enough if you're walking around for the day, you want easy access to your phone. I would just put it in there. But that is a lovely bag. I am really happy I got that. Did I need a bag? No. But I only used my eBay channel funds for this bag. So when YouTube, I'm also on eBay, but YouTube channel funds paid for this bag. So I figure I'm investing in my channel, right? It's not because I really wanted another bag. I just had to buy it for content, right? And no, I do not write it off. So anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a really beautiful bag. So happy with it. I think that the quality is really up there. It's a really thoughtful design, kind of like a little croissant, but it does remind me a lot of the Polen bags. I don't have any, but it reminds me a lot of that. Oh, and the inside of these pockets is also that buttery leather. That is crazy. So you can see why it's heavy. It's got the whole inside is leather in the pockets. It's just made so nice. So anyhow, these are available at Macy's if you're looking for them. I'll try and post the link below if I remember. But I highly recommend it. It's beautiful. I have yet to wear it for a day or anything. I just unboxed it with you guys, but I'm looking forward to it. I think it's going to be a great bag for work, and I love the style. It's just really pretty. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time.